Are you struggling to understand who your competitors are? Would you want to know the secrets to identifying and outsmarting your competition? Are you looking to stay ahead in your industry but don't know where to start? If these questions resonate with you, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Mami and your Mami Negosyo, and in this video, we'll explore these 5 strategies to help you identify your competitors and gain a competitive edge as a small business owner. 1. Research your local market. 2. Use online tools and resources. 3. Analyze social media and online presence. 4. Attend local events and networking groups. And 5. Conduct customer surveys and feedback. Knowing your competition is essential for staying ahead in the game. So, let's now go ahead with each of the strategies and see how it can benefit your business. For strategy number 1, we have researching your local market. Identify local businesses that are offering similar products or services. To understand your immediate competition and market dynamics, you need to put on your shoes and have a little bit of an educational field trip to visit local businesses and observe their offerings, pricings, and customer service. Let's talk about how this works in practice. Meet Rachel, a 30-something single mom who runs a small business producing spicy sauces. When she first started, she took time to walk around her neighborhood to spot other businesses offering similar products. She made a list of all the businesses that sold sauces and condiments. And then Rachel visited these places, observed their products, pricing, and customer service. This gave her a clear picture of her direct competitors and what she was up against. And by understanding what other sauce producers were doing, Rachel could find ways to differentiate her products and offer something unique to her customers. So, stop overthinking who they are and get out there to look for them. Strategy number 2 now. Use online tools and resources. At this time and age, you'll find more and more businesses online. So utilize online tools to find and analyze competitors to gather comprehensive information on your competitors that are beyond your local area. So how? Well, here's how Rachel used online tools to her advantage. So after researching her local market, Rachel turned to the internet. And she used search engines and business directories like Google My Business, Yelp, and TripAdvisor to find other businesses selling spicy sauces. Now, these platforms provided reviews and ratings, helping Rachel understand what customers liked and disliked about her competitors. Now, this brings us to go deeper with strategy number 3, which is to analyze social media and online presence. That's right, you don't stop gathering who your competitors are. So, the next thing for you to do is to review our competitors' social media and online activities. This will help you understand their engagement strategies and customer feedback. Let's now look at how Rachel was able to do this strategy. She also checked out their websites and social media pages to get a sense of their online presence and marketing strategies. This helped her identify trends and opportunities to differentiate her products further. She noticed that many competitors lacked an online shopping option, so she decided to set up an e-commerce store for her spicy sauces. And by observing their posts, promotions, and customer interactions, Rachel gained insights into what worked and what did not work in her industry. For example, Rachel noticed that her competitors often ran social media contests and promotions that drove high engagement, and so she decided to implement similar strategies, creating fun and interactive posts that encourage her followers to engage with her brand. Additionally, Rachel read through customer comments and reviews on her competitors' pages. This feedback provided valuable information about what customers appreciated and what they wished could be improved. Rachel used this feedback to refine her own offerings and her customer service. Yes, this research can do wonders for your business. Okay? So try them. Try them. Let's now proceed to strategy number 4, which is to attend local events and networking groups. So if you haven't tried this yet, participate in local business events and networking groups. The purpose here is to build relationships and gain insights into your industry. Although she's an introvert, to better understand her competitors, Rachel went to local business events and joined networking groups. Rachel participated in food festivals, community markets, and industry meetups. These events provided her with opportunity to meet other business owners, share experiences, and learn about the latest trends. Networking helped her know about new suppliers, marketing strategies, and customer preferences. She also received valuable advice from seasoned business owners, which helped her navigate challenges and grow her business. Lastly, let's talk about strategy number 5, which is conducting customer surveys and feedback. This is for you to understand customer preferences and improve your offerings. You can use surveys, feedback forms, and direct conversations. So finally, Rachel conducted customer surveys and gathered feedback directly from her loyal customers. She asked about their preferences, what they liked about her spicy sauces, and what improvements they wanted in her products. This direct feedback was invaluable in understanding her competitive landscape and making necessary adjustments. Customers appreciated Rachel's efforts to listen and to improve, which strengthened their loyalty to her business. Now, through these surveys, Rachel discovered that her customers valued unique, locally sourced ingredients and a variety of spice levels. So she used this feedback to create new flavors and enhance her product line, setting her business apart from the competition. And by following these 5 strategies, Rachel was able to identify her competitors and gain a competitive edge. Understanding her competition helped her make informed decisions, improve her offerings, and ultimately grow her business. So, to recap, here are the 5 strategies to identify your competitors as a small business owner. 1. Research your local market. 2. Use online tools and resources. 3. Analyze social media and online presence. 4. Attend local events and networking groups. And 5. Conduct customer surveys and feedback. By applying these strategies, you can gain a deep understanding of your competitors and learn ideas that will boost your business's success. If you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my starter kit at maminegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mami and your Mami Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy.